Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly auditing where your photos live and how much space you have. Check device-free space and any cloud quotas, then pick a target quality. Keep originals, convert to high-quality JPEG, or use hike/HIF for smaller files. Once decided, back up current photos to an external drive or cloud so you can revert if needed. Make sure to include metadata and edits in that backup. This protects your originals, while you begin size reduction steps immediately. Now you perform the core actions: batch, convert, and compress. Use efficient tools like ImageMagick, Apple Photos Export, or a script on Windows to convert formats in bulk. Convert to hike/HIF where supported, or re-encode to about 80% JPEG quality, which preserves visible detail while cutting size dramatically. Also resize images to the resolution you actually need and run duplicate removal tools to delete redundant shots. Once done, verify a sample set to confirm visual quality meets your expectations. Finish by reorganizing and syncing smartly so savings persist. Move optimized images into clear folders and set cloud sync rules to prevent re-uploading originals to the device. Enable smart syncing, where cloud keeps originals and devices pull optimized versions. Make sure automatic camera settings save in your chosen format going forward. If you notice quality loss, missing metadata, or deleted files, immediately restore the backed up originals and redo conversion with adjusted quality or tool settings to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.